Hey, look, this is Logan again. I want to show you something. I got some new friends yesterday for Grandma Sue. Thank you, Grandma Sue. This is the little sheep. That's Logan's new sheep. Yeah, that's baby's new sheep. There's also the little alien that plays music. Look, Logan. Good day, Logan. Hi. Hi, get your new buddies. There's one missing. There's another one. Where's the other one? Oh, the other one is in the other crib waiting for me to go there. Yes. 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 Thank you, Grandma. I love my new toys. I'm already eating them, see? Yeah, that's what I do with new toys. I taste them. I taste them. Are you tasting the new toy? Eat it. Don't eat it. Yay!